Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to fix slow cellular mobile data on your iPhone. If you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. So open setting on your iPhone and tap on mobile service and tap on mobile data, and now tap on off. After few seconds back on. So guys, go back and close the window and open control center. Guys, you can also turn off mobile data from here. You have the option. Guys, turn on the flight mode for a few seconds. After a few seconds, turn back off flight mode. I hope your problem will be solved. So guys, open setting again on your iPhone and now scroll down and find out App Store. Here you can see, tap on it, and here's automatic download. Make sure automatic download must be turned off from here. And guys, you can download or update any app manually when you need it. Now go back and now tap on general and now tap on background app refresh. Tap on it. So friends, those applications that you don't need to turn them off from here, because as soon as they run in the background, they affect the cellular connection automatically. Here you can see. Guys, you can select Wi-Fi for background app running as you wish, as you need. So go back from here. So scroll down from here and tap on transfer reset iPhone and tap on reset. Here guys, uh, tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your mobile about network, cellular, or any calling, any no service issue, so will be solved after reset network setting of your iPhone. So guys, close this window and open setting application again. Here's the interface. And guys, if you are giving a hotspot to other devices, so must be turned off from here, because when multiple devices are running over a single cellular connection, so server is impacted. So guys, by doing this setting you will be solve your cellular connection speed. So please like and subscribe.